What's up, everybody? Kenny Keys here for 5 Star Production, and this week I have an engineering tip for y'all. Now, before we actually get into recording, there's a couple of things that you need to consider, and one of those things is the kind of cables that you're using to record. Alright, there's 2 main kinds of cables that you'll see in a studio setup, or if you want to get them for your home setup, and that is a 1/4-inch cable and an XLR cable. The XLR cable will have 2 different ends, one which is the male end, and it will have 3 pins, and the female end, which will have the connectors for it. Now, the male will be sending the signal, and the female end will be receiving the signal. Another way that's useful is that you can daisy chain these cables and connect them to make one longer. Now, a 1/4-inch cable can be broken down into 2 kinds, and that is a TRS cable and a TS cable. Alright, now an example where a TS 1/4-inch cable can be used is typically with the guitar connecting to an amp. Unfortunately, with these types of cables, you'll get a lot of interference, whether it's from power or radio signals nearby. Now, having a shorter cable, and depending on where you place the cable, will help a lot with that. Now, a 1/4-inch TRS cable and an XLR cable can be both used with the microphone, but the XLR has typically been more of the standard lately. Alright, y'all, I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop them down below. Stay tuned and we'll catch you next week.